Welcome to my presentation on the Snake game built using Python and Pygame. This project is modern twist on the classic Snake game, featuring dynamic obstacles, a checkered background, and mobile-friendly controls. Today, I'll explain how each part of game works, focusing on its key functions, logic, and gameplay mechanics. Before I proceed to the next discussion, I will introduce myself. My name is Tenyo Prince Char from 1CPEC. And now let's move to the next discussion. Here's the gameplay overview. The objective of the game is simple. Control the snake to eat food, avoid obstacles, and grow longer. The score increases with each piece of food eaten, and as the score rises, stone barriers are randomly generated to make the game more challenging. The game ends if the snake collides with a wall, itself, or a stone. Here's the core function. Generate food. This function generates a random position for the food on the grid. The position aligns with the grid to ensure it matches the snake movement. Draw background. The checkered background is created using two shades of green, alternates colors based on the row or color indice, making the grid visually distinct and easier to follow. Display core. This function displays the current score at top left corner of the screen using Pygame font rendering. It updates dynamically as the player eats food. Generate stones. This function creates stone barriers as obstacles. It ensures stones don't overlap with the snake or food. New stones are generated every 5 points with their number increasing score rises, adding difficulty. Here's the game loop. This is the heart of game. It handles the main gameplay mechanics, including snake movement, updates the snake position and direct based on input. Collision detection ends the game if the snake hits a wall, itself, or stone. Food collision. When the snake eats food, it grows longer. The score increases and the new food is generated. Stone generation. Stones are added periodically as the score increases. Game over state. Display a message when the game ends and waits for the player to restart. Draw mobile controls. For mobile device, this function draws four directional buttons: up, down, left, right on the screen. It detects mouse clicks to control the snake movement, making the game touch-friendly. Let's discuss the visual Pygame drawing. Functions handle the visuals. The snake is drawn as a series of rectangles with cycling color pattern. Food is represented as white ellipse. Stone are drawn solid rectangular blocks. Together these elements create an engaging the visual appealing game. Now, let's try the game if it is works. Quick summary. This snake game is a modular dynamic implementation of the classic game. Each function plays a specific role from generating food and stones to updating the snake and handling collision. The game loop ties everything together, ensuring smooth gameplay. But still, the game is under development. There's some bugs like food is in the out of screen and the food is in on the stone or barrier. That's all of that's all of the presentation I made. To all viewers watching this video, thank you for watching and sayonara.